What's up, hello beautiful people! For today's video, gagawa tayo ng content for Vietnam outfit. So guys, marami kasi nagre-request sa ating vlog na i-vlog naman daw natin yung mga Vietnam dress kasi nga, ngayon lang kasi tayo nagbenta ng mga Vietnam outfit guys. And then, ayan, super gaganda niya guys. And makikita nyo sa video na to kung paano natin iisa-isahin lahat ng mga outfit na yan. Baka kung bet ninyo bumili, ito na ang video na para sa inyo guys. And then, kung kakarating kayo ng idea kung saan siya pwedeng suot sa party, ayan, casual, ayan guys, panoorin nyo itong video na to. So, for second outfit, ayan, napakaganda niya guys. So, ayan yung second outfit natin guys. Kung bet nyo to, ito yung prices. Outfit number 3. Guys, ang ganda. Lakas maka-Barbie. So, pansin ko lang yung mga Vietnam outfit. More on ano sila, sexy. Ayan, party dress. So, ayan guys. Kung bet nyo to, ito yung prices. For the fourth outfit, ayan guys. So nice. Makapal yung tela nito guys. And then, pasitro yung kanyang loob. And then guys, ayan siya for arts. Kung bet nyo to guys, ito yung prices. Outfit number 5. Ganda, guys. One of our best selling now yun na this outfit. And then we have black and white color of this design, guys. So, bet nyo to. Ito yung prices. Yung shirt pala available yan, guys. Outfit number 6. So, guys, ang ganda nito. Ayan. Feeling ko nasa ano ako, action movie. Action movie. Lakas maka-sexy guys, and pa-crop top yung kanyang top, and pa-mini skirt siya. Turn na kanya ng boots from Hello Kitty Boulevard. And ayan, meron siyang isang kulay guys. Meron siyang silver. So kung bet nito guys, use the prices. Outfit number 7. So cute. Mas maka-Barbie. Maka-brands guys. So itong outfit na to, ayan, naman mo kung bagay yung boots. Comment down below na lang kayo guys kung hindi siya bagay. Kasi wala kami stylist guys. Ayun. So, ayun, ako lang nag-design ng sarili kong outfit. So, kung guys ito guys, ito yung prices. Outfit number 8. Ang lakas mga social guys. Ayan, simple but classy. And ayan guys, cotton fabric. Ayan, may mga design na pa ganyan. And then, tinernahan ko lang din siya ng boots. And kung ganda itong outfit na to guys. Ito yung prices. Outfit number 9. So guys, lakas makas. Fairy tayo dito guys. And ayan. Kung ganda ito guys, ayan. Wala akong masabi guys kasi nagbabalali ako. Basta kung ganda itong outfit ko, ayan yung prices niya. Outfit number 10. So guys, super nice nito. And pa-sexy pa siya sa pagkakuha. As you can see, ganda niya. And then marapol to guys. And then, alam ko meron itong pink and black guys. So kung bet nyo to, ito yung price. 11 outfit. Ayan, ang pretty ng outfit na to guys. Ayan, mabenta sa amin to. We have white and black colors on to guys. And full lace to coordinates. Ayan, kung bet nyo to guys. Ayan. And then, nyo pala ng boots. Ayan. Kung bet nyo yan guys, full outfit. Ito yung kanyang prices. Outfit number 12. One of our best selling dress. Guys, we have black and red color nitong design na to. And kung bet nyo to, ang cute, diba? For the last outfit, guys, ganda. Bodycon tayo dyan. Ang lakas makaputi nito. And then, pwede nito sa morena guys, kasi yung color na yan. Neutral lang tayo guys. And ayan, kung bet nyo to guys, ito yung kanyang price. Ito pala yung back guys. So guys, dito na nagtatapos ang ating vlog. Sana nagustuhan nyo guys yung mga Vietnam outfit. Ito kasi guys, nabili na siya. And then, isa other color yung kulay guys. And then, kung meron pa kayong gustong ipa-flex dito sa ating YouTube channel,